Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. If you like what you see, hit that like and subscribe button. If you may or may not know, if you're new here, we do this on Thursdays and Sundays. It's pretty cool sometimes. We're going to be trying out some new gel polish that I've kind of had my eye on for a minute here. And I've already been using... So I've been pretty familiar with the Emily gel polish, the one that I've been using for goodness like over a year now. I love these little things. They're so great. They're so amazing. I've done a video on them already. I use this little UV light to cure the gel polish, and I want to see if this collection will be any different. So I went ahead and picked this up on Amazon. It was just under $30, but you do get quite a bit with it. I don't know if it tells you on the outside. Oh, it says on the front. I apparently cannot read, cannot see half the time. Everyone is well aware of this by now. There are 20 gels in here, and I believe there should be a base coat and a top coat that come with this as well. So overall 20 colors, supposed to be in here, just under $30. I think I got it for, goodness, I want to say $28, $29. But there were a few colors that caught my eye in here, and for the price of like 2 or 3 of these colors, I could have just bought the whole thing and gotten 20 colors for the same price. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. Oh, that's cute. Hey, gorgeous. Stir the gel polish with the cap brush before use. Avoid contact with eyes, mouth, and skin. Those are good tips. Just throwing it out there. Oh, okay. We got, is it a, how do I, oh, are you, oh, look at that. Oh, they're tiny. Hi. Hello. Oh, the color's on the top. Okay, hi. I mean, compared to the gel polish I have been using, this one's a little bit smaller. Not too bad, but I mean, a little does go a long way just because you're supposed to be using thin coats. And are you all, yeah, these are all the colors I got. Okay, cool. That's different. Okay, so that's one. These, oh, okay, and some more. Oh, hey, you are big. What are you? Okay, we have a top coat, top gel, top matte gel, and a base coat. Cool. Okay. I want to try the matte. Hi. And then this is the little final bits and pieces of it. You have to have the color that I originally purchased this for. Yup. So originally, I purchased it just for this green, which is the color we're going to be using today. I'll set that aside. I am assuming it's going to be the same concept as my other gel polish, where you apply a base coat, thin coat, top coat, good to go, cure in between. I mean, we will find out. Application guide. Clip your nails, file, shape, push back cuticles, trim cuticles, dust off nails, apply base coat, UV, top coat, UV, apply, UV, finish, cuticle. Okay, cool. So yeah, everything is about the same as everything else I've done. That's pretty cool. So let's get to it then. I'm going to put the instructions back in the box as well as the other gel polishes. And I'm going to take out all 3 of these. Both the shiny and the matte top coats and the base. And I'm probably going to leave this out because this looks like this looks like it'll be a good top for me to set my nails on and actually paint with. Just as a heads up, I've already filed them down and buff them out a little bit. Wash them with some Dawn dish soap that gets rid of any additional oils or grease that's on here, so they're pretty dry right now and they're ready to get going. We will start with, there you are, base coat right here, or base gel I should say. Pretty much the same size as my other one though, so that's good. Those are familiar. Let's get started. Okay. Remember, thin coats. Yep, all the way. And remember, when you're doing your base, make sure, and for all of your coats, don't go all the way back to your cuticle. That will definitely cause lifting. And don't go too far to the edges either. You want to go to the edge, but not to the skin, remember. And then for this, for my UV light, if you may or may not remember, if you've seen my previous video, I can either stick my hand in here and it starts to count up, or I can press a button and it counts down as long as my hand is in here. So we're gonna do, I'm gonna turn this so my hand's not too wonky, and then I'll go ahead and do the countdown for 60 seconds. Timer's up. Pull it out. And now we're gonna go with our color. And I like this like foresty green color. We're gonna see if this one shows up pretty good on my nail. Shake, shake. Oh, open it up. That's kind of pretty. Okay. Remember, wipe off quite a bit of excess that you might have on here. You want to make sure you're doing that super thin coat. And I hope this comes out good because I really wanted this color. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Pretty good. And then again, 60 seconds. Oh, my first layer looks pretty good. I mean, as you can still see, kind of close up, it's not super dark and you can see through to my actual nail. But that's where the second coat comes in. Let's do this. Remember, thin, thin, thin. Cool. Okay. Looking nice. And another 60 seconds. Boom. All right, let's move on to the top coat. We'll start with the gel, and then I want to try the matte as well. All right, clear coat. Remember, thin. All right, I was gonna split it up and do some clear and some matte, but I got carried away with the clear, so 60 seconds. I mean, it looks just like the other polish. I got a little on my finger, so I just come in and I peel it off. A little bit here too. Peel it off. Comes off easy in the shower too. Yeah. Looks very similar to the other polish. No bubbling. Looks pretty good. I still managed to get a little bit onto my skin, and some of it did peel off already, so that's good. I know most of it'll come off like when I take a shower as well, especially on the skin, like on the tops here. Comes off in the shower, so I'm not too worried about that. But yeah, I think the color looks really good. It's very pretty. I'm gonna do the other side, and if I can remember, I'm gonna try some of the matte top coat as well. But real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other hand. Ooh, okay, so here we have the difference between the matte and the gel. I was a little worried about the matte because it looked the same, but under the UV light, it actually shines like really fluorescent. So there's a bit of a difference there. I really like the way the matte looks. Had I known, we would have done all matte. But this looks pretty good. I mean, overall, the color looks good. It's not as dark as I want it necessarily. But I mean, we'll see how this goes. And of course, it's dry instantly. I can just go run, do my errands, whatever I have to do. Right now, I'm gonna go cook dinner, shower, hopefully do some chores, and then get ready for bed. Yeah. So we'll see if these last. I hope they do. Most of the time they do. Overall, I think this is really good. I really like this brand, Beetles gel polish. I've seen them quite a bit on my Amazon. Never wanted to try them, but now definitely going to see where the rest of these colors take me, because I mean, it's fall and a lot of the colors I got are deeper. So, you know, just gonna explore myself a whole lot in here. And then of course, before we leave, I do put the oil around my nail. And I picked up this cute little pin from AOA Studio on Shop Miss A. It's like peaches, I believe. Yeah, nail and cuticle repair in the scent flavor shade peach. And you just twist this a little bit and it comes out through here in the cute little brush fashion. Just like that. And a little goes a long way. Boom. Easy peasy. And yeah, this was $1. Just like that. And I mean, I keep it up here on my desk in like my little cup holder. You could always keep it in your bag, keep it in your purse, keep it on your persons, keep it in a drawer. It's really easy, handy dandy, tiny little thing. It's $1 too. So I mean, convenient and inexpensive. I'm gonna keep wearing these. Maybe leave some comments down below in the description how it went as far as the wear goes. My other one I can get about 2, maybe 3 weeks before anything starts chipping or starting to lift, depending on how rough and tough I am, but I should be pretty gentle these next few weeks, and we will see how it goes. Do let me know though if you've tried any of the polishes from Beetles or any other gel polish that you do at home that may work best for you. And remember, if you like what you see, hit that like and subscribe button. I will catch you next time. Bye!